Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a interesting thing. I'm going to kind of compare holographic glitter to this other glitter I have. I'll post this glitter in the link. It's just an ultra fine glitter. And this one I got them both off of Temu. But this is, like I said, this is the holographic glitter. So I might. No, I'm just going to put it in the resin. These don't take very much. I haven't measured it exactly, but somewhere around 40 or 50 mLs, whatever that is. I made up 50 right here, I think it is. So it shouldn't be that much difference. Or, I know what I'm trying to say. It should be okay. Because I've noticed that they don't take much at all. Okay, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the Valentine's Day collab this last weekend. I think there was a lot of good videos out. Let's see, I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls in there. So it'll be nice and chucked full. This I'm just going to pour about half of that in there. I love those colors. There we go. Got some stir sticks. That is gorgeous. Turned the whole thing pink. Okay, let's go ahead and pour this in one. You can use those for pouring. That's what I like about these little ones. You've got control over the pour. You can either use that big one there, or there's a little one there. Depends on what I'm doing, whether I use the little one or the big one. I do like these little Trinket trays. They are so adorable. Go ahead. And like I said, they don't take much resin. I got them off of BeebeeCraft. There, got it all down to the bottom. Sorry if my hands are in your way. Getting underneath that lip where all those bubbles like to hide. I'm just a hair shy. That's okay. I'll figure something out in a minute. Go ahead and stir this up. Ooh, that is so pretty. That's like a purple pink. Let's go ahead and do this one. And squish the bottoms. You always want to squish the edges because they might have bubbles sticking down in there. And you can do all sorts of things with this. It is such a small mold, but it turns out amazing. I've made other ones of these on my channel. Like for instance, this one here. I think they are just amazing little trinket trays. They're not very big, but they're big enough to put like your watches in. I mean, your rings in when you take them off to wash your hands, or, you know, something small. Well, I didn't have enough for either one of them, but that's okay, because I got a tiny bit in that cup that I poured into these, and I'll see if I have enough to fill it up. If not, I'll just make a little bit more. By the way, I'm using the Tea Expert. I started using it a couple days ago when I ran out of my Gentian, and it seems to be doing really good. The bubbles seem to be popping. I'm not having any issues with them yet. Everything's been curing, and it's not too expensive. So that may end up being my new go-to. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, I'll probably have to scrape a little bit. Make up just a hair of resin. All right, I'll make up just a tiny little bit, and well, actually, yeah, I might have to make up just a tiny little bit because these aren't quite full. I'm not going to put you through that. So I will be back to you when these are ready to demold. Welcome back. It's demolding day. Go ahead and get these out of here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness gracious, those are beautiful. Look at the difference in the holographic and just the regular fine. That's amazing. The fine glitter had some color to it, and it basically, all it did was just sit there. It shines, but oh, that holographic just sparkles. If you enjoyed watching this, thank you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and share and all that good stuff. You know what to do. But I'll have pictures at the end, and thank you so much for watching, and thanks again. Bye for now.